This is a multi-million-dollar home behind me that one day will be a smart home. Today, I'm gonna give you a tour. Let's go check it out. Audio, video, security, integration, we're doing it all here. Not only am I gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of some of the rooms and the things that we're doing in here, but I'm also gonna tell you and share all of the services that we can assist you with. We're here to help. Hopefully you get some value out of this video. Let's go. Media room and audio is one of the main services that we offer. In this specific house, this is our media room. This room is actually wired with a 7.1 surround sound, and it's set up for a future display. When it comes to audio, it could be built and designed based on the audio experience that you want. If you want a 7.1, if you want a 9.1, if you want a Dolby Atmos system, we're here to help for that. Not also that, but display. When it comes to the display for this home theater, you can go with a television, or we can go with a rear or short throw projector. Things to keep in mind in a room like this, for example, is window treatment. As you can see, the home has been wired for conductor wire for future smart window treatment. We are actually going to be doing Hunter Douglas windows here. When it comes to the window treatment, the reason I was bringing that up is if you're going to be doing a projector, you want to make sure that you use an ambient light rejection screen and a high lumen projector. In this specific room, we're gonna rock out. We are going to be doing Klipsch audio speakers. I'm excited to bring this one to the finish line, but this is one of those rooms that if you need help with, connect with us. We're here to help. Let's check out the rest of the house. A lot of people spend a lot of time in their master bedroom. This specific room is actually set up with a pair of installing speakers, and it's wired for a future television. Not only that, but we do have data lines on the wall for UIs. What is a UI? A user interface. Whether it's Josh, whether it's Control4, whether it's an iPad, a smart home requires some kind of device to control it. Everything is controllable from the app on the phone, but we do give you the option to add a wall-mounted Josh or a wall-mounted touchscreen to control the house. Not only that, but window treatment. As I mentioned, every single window in this house, it's wired for window treatment. We are going to be doing smart shading here. These smart shades can be controlled with a button, or they can actually be integrated to where you never have to touch them. Whether it's a morning scene, a good night scene, whether it's an entertaining or whatever. We can set up the home to do things that are built around your lifestyle and make it to where this house feels like home. Let's keep testing the tour. Those are some great options for the master bedroom. Now, let's continue walking this home. All right, obviously we wire homes, but we also design them. If you are building a home and you're out of state, but you would like some guidance, we do offer consultant services. This specific home, we ran a lot of cables. As you can see, we have cat cables, 2 conductor cables, 4 conductor cables, security cables, you name it. Oh, fiber back here, as you can see. You name it, every single wire that you can run in a smart home, we wired here. This is where the big rack and the brains of the house is going to be staged. This is where you want some ventilation. This is where you want to account for spacing. This is where all the future proofing is going to happen. In this specific house, we're still probably 2-3 months from trim out, but we are involved in every step of the project. So we come in regularly to do our walkthroughs to make sure that nothing was covered up, to make sure that nothing was cut. That way when it's time for installation, it goes smooth and simple. This is right now just a closet, but one day it will be the brains of this smart home. Let's keep walking this home. Now, I can't take you in the house because it's a construction site and there's a party going on in there, but there's gonna be a lot of partying out here, so outdoor entertaining is something that we can definitely help you with. Whether it's a couple of cameras, pair of in-ceiling or surface mounted speakers, or a full audio system for your backyard. This is something that we specialize in, whether it's a simple system or whether it's an extremely high-end complex system, we can handle it. One of those tips for out here is make sure that you run a data line to your future pool equipment. You want to be able to hardwire that equipment so it's not relying on Wi-Fi. Not only that, but it makes it easier to integrate if you're doing any type of control system. Whether you want to cover the back corner of the house or the pool where everybody's hanging out, we wired cameras to every single corner of this house. This is Cat 6 cabling coming out of the wall to allow us to put an IP camera. When it comes to the technology, it's all built on the camera. That Cat 6 cable is going to give you the option to put a PoE IP camera that has AI tracking, AI technology, all sorts of AI features. We did set them up for extra cameras. We're not going to be installing every single camera, but we did set them up for some extra cameras. Not only that, but the doorbell is going to be integrated with the system as one of the channels on the DVR. Security, every single contact, every single door, every single window has been wired for a contact to make sure that the home, it's secure and safe. All right, guys, as you can see, this is work. A lot of people think that YouTubing is easy and making videos is fun. It is, but it's work. And if you want to make us happy, subscribe to the channel. We are out here sweating, putting content together for you guys. So if you like the content, if you're getting something out of the videos that we're putting out, tag someone, share this with someone, connect with us. Thank you for being here. Let's continue with this tour. Big shout out to Covington Builders. They are our builder partner and the mastermind behind this beauty that I just gave you a tour. I want to thank y'all for joining me today. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. Look, listen, and live with us. Have yourself a great day.